Hello guys, Merry Christmas! Or is it too early to say that? I don't think it's that early. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're thriving wherever you are. I hope you're having fun and I hope you're ready for an awesome December holidays. For those who are new here, my name is Millie. Welcome to my channel. Here we discuss motherhood, we discuss mindset shifts, positive vibes, and all around personal development. And for the subscribers, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you. Thank you for your support. I'm so grateful that you're here. And if you've not subscribed, kindly hit the red button and subscribe and join our growing family. Today we are going to talk about something amazing. I wanted to put up this video as soon as possible because December is here with us. The year is ending, 2021 is ending, and I'm so grateful that everything has gone well. And even if you've struggled through some of the months, don't worry. There's always another chance. You will have the chance to do better. So today I want us to discuss how to have a good, on budget, fun, and emotionally fulfilling holidays. So that when January comes, we will have no tears, we will be ready for the new year with all our responsibilities taken care of and a worry-free new year. Whatever I'm going to tell you today is dependent on your ability to spend just 20 to 35 minutes making a plan that you will commit to and implement so that your December and January are well taken care of and run according to your plan, your budget, and your physical and emotional well-being. We are going to divide this video into three parts: the financial, the physical, and the emotional, because those are three most important parts of life, especially during the holidays, and it is important to make a plan for each of those three parts. Let us discuss the financial. If you're not prepared well, the holidays can wreck your finances. I am so serious. So many people struggle at the end of the holidays because they have spent every dime they had and they have even gone into debt because of overspending or mindless spending. This is why you see something nice, you buy it. You think about going on holiday, you go. You see some gifts you want to buy, you buy them. You don't have a plan, you're just spending just to spend. And this is a very serious problem. And it is the cause of tears in January. And we want a no tears January. So I will give you a basic plan, what we can do to avoid the financial upheaval that comes with the holidays. Before 1st December, just have a seat, take a pen and paper, list down all your income that you expect at the end of January, at the end of December. I expect that maybe your November salary or November income has already come in and you've allocated it to your recurring costs in the beginning of January. So what we are planning for is the money we are going to get in December, from 1st to 31st December. What money is coming in? Are you going to get paid at the end of the month? Are you getting a bonus? Are you getting a stipend or something that is coming in extra? If you're in business, are there profits? What is your allocated amount that you want to spend on expenses, on recurring expenses as well as holiday expenses in December and at the beginning of January? Because the money we are getting in December, remember, is the same money that we are going to use to pay for utilities at the beginning of January. Remember, there is school fees, there is rent, there is electricity bills, water bills, and everything in between. So make a list. What money is coming in? Include everything, every detail, bonuses, everything. Then make a list of the expenses that you expect to take care of at the beginning of January. This is what I've mentioned, like school fees, transport, fuel, everything that comes at the beginning of the month. Then make another list of the fun expenses you want to spend on in December. Having a budget does not mean that you will not have fun. It just means you will spend the amount that you have allocated and not go over budget, and you will not be mindlessly spending your money. You will have fun, but it will be within your budget. So make a list of the things you're going to spend on in December. For example, if you're going on holiday, if you're going to the beach, how much are you going to spend there? If you've already booked the hotel, what about other small expenses like transport, fare to the SGR, Ubers, transfer to the hotel, such little expenses, snacks, the miscellaneous expenses that you don't think about, but they creep up and add up. List all other things like shopping. If you're going to visit your family, how much are you allocating to shopping? How much money are you allocating to shopping for your own household? And if you have two sides of the family, how much are you allocating to each side of the family for the shopping? If you're giving gifts to your children, how much are you allocating for each gift? If you're planning to buy a toy worth 1,000 for each child, list that. If you're buying gifts for your nieces, your nephews, just list that. And other expenses that expect to come up, for example, fuel. If you're traveling up country, fare, how much are you expecting to spend? Have you booked your tickets? Such things. Consider all those. Those are expenses that drain your pocket even before you start the holidays, even before you reach home. These are expenses that will drain your pocket. So make a list of all those things. After you make those lists, allocate the amount you expect to spend on the recurring expenses that we said before, like school fees for January, rent, all those things. Allocate funds for those things. Then the remaining amount, you can spend it on these other holiday expenses. For example, if you've paid 50,000 and your recurring expenses for January will be like 35,000, that means you will have 15,000 or more if you're getting a bonus or something to allocate to your holiday expenses. This means when you're doing your shopping, when you're buying your gifts, when you're gifting your parents, you will remain within budget, and you will have the reassurance in your mind that all my expenses in January are taken care of. I don't have to worry about that. I'm on budget. I can relax and have fun. The second section that I want to discuss is the physical part of the holidays. What I mean by the physical, where are you going to spend the holidays physically? Where are you going? Are you going to visit your family? Are you going on holiday? Are you going to Mombasa? Are you going to Diani? Are you going to Naivasha? Physically, where will you be during the holidays? We have the Jamhuri weekend, we have the Christmas holidays, we have the New Year's. Those are three major holidays that you need to allocate time for and know exactly where you're going to be at that time. Also, very important, if you have a partner, if you have a family, have you discussed where you're going to spend the holidays? Don't wait until the last minute and then get disappointed when your spouse says, no, we have to go here, and yet you wanted to go there. Just sit down right now and make a plan. If we are going to visit family A during the Jamhuri, then we can visit family B during Christmas, and then on New Year's we can stay home or visit a friend or go out, Make a plan. When you communicate and make a plan, it is easier to follow through. It is easier for you and it is easier for other people to follow through. So make a plan. Secondly, when I talk about the physical, I mean the physical safety. What are your plans? Are you aware of the restrictions? Have you reviewed the guidelines for mass gatherings? You need to review wherever you're going. Are there restrictions? Are there transport issues? Physically, will you be safe? Make a plan for your own safety. Stay safe. The third and final aspect that I want to talk about during the holidays is your emotional well-being. What are your plans for your emotional energy? Where are you going to spend your emotional energy this holiday? This is a very important one. We sometimes come out of the holidays feeling so drained emotionally, financially, physically, but if you have a plan, it is easier to identify areas or people that make you feel drained so that you avoid such situations. Family gatherings can be quite draining if you're not careful. But if you go into these gatherings with the intention to spend your emotional energy on only fulfilling people and fulfilling events, you will be happy, you will be relaxed, you will have fun, and you will be happy. So take your time. Identify people that trigger you emotionally and be intentional in your interactions with these people. Do not participate in their drama. Do not fall into their trap of being triggered or being emotionally drained. If they try to trigger you, avoid. If you have a plan in mind, you know this person is just coming to trigger me or trying to make me fall into the trap of emotional drain, avoid such situations. I know you may not avoid going home or if there are issues at home, but just go with the intention to avoid situations, arguments, drama that drain you emotionally. Go into the holidays with the intention of not participating in unnecessary arguments, unnecessary drama, unnecessary fights that drain your energy. Do not participate in such, so that when you come back in January, you'll be happy. You'll be like, I had a fun time with my family. I was triggered, but I did not react. I am happy. I am relaxed. Okay, guys, those are my tips for having a fun, relaxed, and on budget holiday so that we have a naughty as January. I am hoping that you can spend 20 to 30 minutes. Please, 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 just invest that time in yourself. Invest that time in your peace, in your fun, in your joy. That plan will make a big difference in your holiday experience. You will go into it relaxed, knowing exactly what you want to do, and then committing to it. That's it for today's video. I am happy that you're here. I am wishing you happy holidays. I am praying that you will have fun, you will enjoy yourself, relax, spend time with your family, and come back in January happy and healthy. If you're not yet subscribed, click subscribe down below and join our growing family. I am so grateful for those who have subscribed so far. We are growing and we are thriving together. And that's it for today's video. Until next time, love and light. Bye. Merry Christmas. Hello guys, how are you doing? Yeah, look at the camera, look at the lens, look at the lens, look at the lens. Someone to remind me where the lens is. Look at the red, look at the red.